Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'm going to do a tutorial and show you how totally for free, Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. You can create a video lead capture page. It could also be a video splash page if you want to create one of those, or even a video sales page. You don't even need your own video. I'm going to show you how you can go onto YouTube or some other platforms and use other people's videos, which is what I did when I first started. But the great thing about this is what happens is it improves your opt-in rate, because when you see here, click play for real proof, it shows your prospects that the information they're interested in, showing you that it actually works, and you're not just causing intrigue with just a regular lead capture page. And it also improves your unsubscribes, because your prospect is generally interested. They know what they're opting in for. So let's go into the Leads Leap platform. So what you do is the link in the description will give you, you can set up a free lifetime membership, and down the left hand side in the menu you come here into page manager, this one here, and then very simple. First of all, in the up here you've got tutorials. So if you want to learn how to do anything with the Leads Leap, so let's say as an example today we want to create a video sales page, we just type in video there, and it says here how to add video to a page. And then down here you've got all the step-by-step instructions, really beginner friendly. Just put arrows point to the icons that we're going to be using today, and just a few little bits of detail there. So very beginner friendly. If you're brand new, you can use Leads Leap as a platform. And so let's go into how this works. It just takes a couple of minutes. We're going to go on to add a new page, and then all you do is just give your page a name. That's just for your reference. So let's go on here, YouTube test video. Then you click add now, and then what happens is you see here it says YT test video. So all you do is go on to add a new design to start. Now a couple of options here. If you want to use a share code, so there are thousands of Leads Leap members that have already got pages created, and they're willing to share their share code with you. So if you want to use a share code, just copy and paste it into there and click import now. But today we're going to use a brand new design and just show you how simple this is. And the next stage, it's all in red here, and clicking, and just as look, click this to start designing. So it gives you all the little prompts. It's really beginner friendly. Launch editor. Don't get overwhelmed by all these templates and information. The more you use it, you can't break anything. The more you use it, the easier it gets. And you've got all these templates here that you can use: opt-in pages, thank you pages, review pages, download pages. So these are all done for you, that you can edit and rebrand and make them your own. So let's have a look down here. I think the one today we're going to use is going to be this one here. And then it will update and launch this particular template. Now it says here important next step, choose a list, but that's just that's for another video. Today I'm just going to show you how to put this video into here. So all you do is you click on video, and then in the right hand column it will bring you up where you edit and you add your video. So as an example for today, I'm going to use one of my videos and show you how easy it is. You can use any YouTube video, and all you do is this share icon here under the video. You'll see it under all YouTube videos. Just click share, and then we go into embed. Now what happens here is this is the code here that we're going to put into the Leads Leap editor. A couple of options for you. You can even start the video at a later time if you want to start the video at a particular time. You can do that. You can take away the player controls if you don't want the prospect to be able to jump forward in a video. And if you want to copy the text here, bottom right hand corner is just copy, and then that is copied, and you go back into your editor over here. That's the wrong one. That's this one here. And then in the right hand column here, all you do is you can either just get rid of all this, and you can either just paste, or I do Control V on my keyboard, and then that's copied the YouTube code that I took from my video. And all you do is go back onto your video, left click your mouse, and the video goes in. Now you'll see it's a little bit wider than it's blocking the opt-in form here. So all you do is go in the bottom right hand corner here, and you'll see that it goes into a double arrow, and you just glide that over, you minimize it, oops, and then you can just play around with it. You just adjust it to whatever size you want to. That is now going to be, let's put it there, and that is it. And then all you do is you go into the top right hand corner and you save your work. Always save your work so you don't lose the work you've done. Click on work saved, and then in the top right hand corner you go onto full preview, and it will show you exactly how this is going to look to your prospects. In the top right, this is desktop, top right hand corner, it will show you how it's going to look on a tablet. And then this one here is how it's going to look on a mobile device. So a mobile phone, a cell phone, and that's how it's going to look here to your prospects. So it works on every single device. Leads Leap is up to date with all the configurations. And then if you want to edit all the text up here, very, very simple. I'll do other videos on that, but you can just edit your text, edit your background and colors. Really beginner friendly. Just go back onto your tutorials and it'll show you how to do the rest of the work on your video lead capture page. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. So you're going to get everything here free for life. Every single tool you need to build your online business. I use these tools every single day, and I've been using them really more or less right from the start. If you want to promote Leads Leap and earn affiliate commissions, you can earn monthly recurring commissions even as a free member. You'll see here, so I'm live again in my account. You'll see here my total earnings so far, $874 in commission. So I started out as a free member, and then when I promoted Leads Leap and I started to get some monthly recurring commissions, then I upgraded to the pro account. So really, really simple. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. We're not making any income claims in this video or guarantees. You've all got an equal opportunity to join Leads Leap as a free lifetime member and also promote the affiliate program as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about Leads Leap, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And then I just recommend that you go into the description here, just set up your free lifetime membership, and then don't get overwhelmed when you first join. Lots of information in Leads Leap, but you can also get traffic. I've got to mention the traffic as well. And then just when you get your account set up, just come back into the members area. Where is it? Over here. And then you can start to have a really good look round at all these different tools and traffic that you can use to become successful and make money online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.